In this video, we use a simple tool, the molar mass triangle, to help us correctly represent the three different versions of the molar mass triangle. Moles equals mass on molar mass. This is the molar mass equation. It's the most important relationship in chemistry. And when we're using it, please never forget the importance of the units. The units for moles being moles, the units for mass being grams, the units for molar mass being grams per mole. And we've seen that there's three different versions of this equation. We can have moles as the subject, moles equals mass on molar mass. We can make mass the subject, mass equals moles times molar mass. And we can have molar mass as the subject, molar mass equals mass over moles. These are three different versions of the same equations, and sometimes people get them confused. So we can use the molar mass triangle to help us out. The molar mass triangle here divided into three regions where we've got the mass at the top of the triangle, we've got the moles at the bottom left, and we've got the molar mass at the bottom right. And the position of each term in the triangle is important. For example, if you wanted to make moles the subject of the equation, we would take moles out of the triangle, put it there, and you could see that the terms mass and molar mass, one sits above the other. Mass sits above molar mass in the triangle, and mass sits above molar mass in the mathematical expression. So moles equals mass on molar mass. If, however, you wanted to make mass the subject of the equation, we can see that the other two terms, moles and molar mass, sit at the same level. They're both at the bottom of the triangle. So mass equals moles times molar mass. They're both on the same level. And lastly, if you want to make molar mass the subject of the equation, we can see that mass sits above moles in the triangle, and in the mathematical formula, mass also sits above moles. So molar mass equals mass on moles. So a really simple tool to help us get the correct representation for the three different versions of the molar mass equation.